Hello and welcome. I wanted to bring to you today a Home Depot deal of the day. I'm just going to share one tool actually that's worth buying, and what it is this DeWalt 15 amp corded 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw. This is an unbelievable price they have it at right now. They have it priced at $287.52. That's saving $311 there, 52% off. It's an excellent deal. This is a saw that I have. If you might have seen my Lowe's video from the other day, actually the Lowe's deal, they had it marked down to $3.99, which was down from $5.99. So this is an unbelievable deal, priced at $287. At the time I'm recording this right now, there's 1,602 available based on that. And when I first saw it about 20 minutes ago, there was about 1,650, so they are starting to sell. So I just wanted to share this with you quickly, and then that way if you're on the market for this miter saw, this is the time to get it. I've never seen it priced so well like this. Excellent deal. This is a saw that I use to do my siding, the hardy board siding, as well as trim work. It's a solid saw. This is the one that does not have the LED light though, and it's the same saw that I do have, but nonetheless it's an excellent saw. I do recommend it, so better hurry and capture that deal before it sells out. And one thing I've noticed with some of these tool deals of the days, where they say they have X amount on hand and then suddenly it sells out, I think sometimes they put in a cap of how many they want to sell, and that might be the case with this one. So even though it has 1,600 available as of now, they could just take it down and say there's none available. Alright, so this would make a good Mother's Day gift if you're still in the market for buying something for your mom or wife. This would be an excellent saw for them. So I hope you enjoy the day and the rest of the weekend, and be sure to subscribe and like this video for future tool deal videos. I appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.